Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro. Today with 2014 Holden Cruze, stock number 6651. This ran from the 3rd 2013 and the 1st 2017. It has an F18D 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is an F18D 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Front bonnet, 1 dent. Left front door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory automatic tyre. Rear boot lid, a couple of dents along the top. Right hand tail light. Right rear door, no dents. Right front door, 1 dent. Right front mirror. Right front guard. Right front headlight. Right front 17-inch factory automatic tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,